What up? We back from the classic. So y'all know what it is. It's time to get busy. We up in the shop. I'm gonna drop y'all a lot of little content of what we got going on right now to get our after the classic cars going. Got some stuff ready to go in the paint booth right now. Got one ready to leave. Man, we got a nice list of cars coming up, some big jobs.
Perry been shooting.
Lost a lot to the streets, still in the hustle. A generation when I flush. Let them think it's sweet, like a candy paint. Made me call a D-town custom. I talk, but they ain't saying nothing. You know it's game on when the hoes out. 10 years in the shit, nigga want some more. Now fuck all that plan and bring all the whips out. Yeah, the cars are closed, the cash in the hoes. Yeah, straight from the bottom like Florida boy. How you hate it, no notable. Yeah, you ain't tryna stand on that pedal, nigga. What the fuck is you winning for? Bitch, bounce rubber like the devil, nigga. Let me hear how your engine roar. Taking off your frame on T-tops and drops. Propane make a girl faint. Yo, swap right here in the shop. Having old schools for days. Cause in one stop, complete shop. No, I still ain't feeling no shows.
We got this 70 Impala Vert. Pretty sure it's a 70. So many cars I'll be forgetting. Y'all see we got a nice amount of parts already in car, more parts coming. Look at that damage to that quarter down there. Gotta get all that pulled out, getting it down to bare metal. Because somebody definitely replaced the quarters before. And when they did, they got rid of the light that goes here. Customer want them, so we're gonna see what we can do there. Hopefully we ain't gotta buy whole quarters just to patch in that section. I don't know what they did here with a new quarter. I like to actually butt my quarters up instead of the overlap like that, but I don't know what happened here. As you see, that's a nice amount of Bondo and it's crushed right there for a new quarter. We still got a little more digging to do. Car had a lot of Bondo in it for it to have new quarters on it. We're gonna do LS swap on this one. Complete rewire the whole car. Y'all stay tuned. You see they did a lower patch on that fender right there. This is what you gotta go through once the car come in, scrape it to see what you really got going on. Depending on the price, the build, what the customer want. We got this 75. Pretty much sand it down, finna get ready to go in the booth. Get it out of here. 63 Chevy truck, I believe. Let's get in the works. Y'all see them Ken Diggs. I didn't start body working the inside. Welding the bed up. No body lines on the tailgate. Well, no gaps, I should say. You're gonna have your body line still. I'm gonna close all the gaps. 69 Firebird. We're scraping it right now to start taking the quarters off. Y'all see he running this one out of Memphis. We're gonna get this, give y'all update on this week. This is Tuesday, 2 days before Thanksgiving, so we'll let y'all know how far we get on this week. My goal is to try to have it, half of it in bare metal, and hopefully the quarters and stuff ready to come off. I think we might end up doing door panels on this one. Maybe some interior stuff, we'll see once we get to that step. We got a lot of stuff in house. Got some stuff coming, so hey, stuff gotta go. We finna get to it. Like I said, it's after the classic now. Time to get real busy, get ready for next season. Y'all want this work, we're in Decatur, Illinois. Hit us up. Like I said, I'm gonna let y'all go.